getting off today in the port of Seward, Alaska. And there's a fire nearby, a forest fire. So this is a little fog, but smoke, and it smells like a fire. It's also pretty cold. But Seward, Alaska. That's our ship, the Viking Orion. And we seem to be the only ship in port. So we're gonna go through this tent. We're gonna be going to the SeaLife Center, I think it's called, or Marine SeaLife Center. That's our included tour for the day. So they're gonna shuttle bus us over there. We're gonna go through there. We had planned on walking there and back. It's only a mile or so. But with the smoke in the air, we don't know if we should. Out of that building, and we're gonna board this bus. You notice people are wearing masks, but not all of them. So, bus to SeaLife Center with Vince. Is that the ticket?
Yeah.
The magic ticket?
Magic ticket. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So we're at the SeaLife Center. It was about a 10-minute bus ride, if even that. We're gonna go on in here. Imagine they sell these photographs.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
You're welcome. That's how much it would normally cost. So at least our tour was worth 30 bucks. Want any of those? I guess everybody just automatically goes out. Oh look, there's something up there hanging from the ceiling. It's a pod of orca. Call orca, they're number one. They get the job done. Alaska SeaLife Center, windows to the sea. Look, SeaLife. SeaLife. Yo ho, yo ho. A SeaLife life for me. Captain Jack, Alaska.
Oh, there they are. They're over there. Yeah, right there.
Ooh, look at this. That looks yummy. Here's it. So here's a big aquarium with lots of people in the way. It's about to cross. So this is what's at the bottom of the pier. Look, a boat motor. And of course bottles. A little crab, shrimp. Oh, look, a little flounder. Fan mail from some flounder.
Up to 20 inches tall.
That's a grunt sculpin. Yeah. Quack, 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 quack. Those guys are rather noisy. I can get over here. Lay an egg. So here's some sea lions, I imagine. You can see them. He's gonna come up there. There they are.
Oh, okay.
So here's a tank full of baby salmon. Here's my hand as comparison. These are much larger. See? And I would say these are fully grown. Now we're getting reflections. Here's my hand. This is the Resurrection Bay overlook. And you probably can't see, but there's mountains right there. And I'm told there's mountains over there. And if it wasn't so smoky, we would be amazed. Or at least impressed. Halibut right here. Looks like snow crabs. Big halibut back there in the rocks. Got one right here that's moving, but not very much. And some fish. And here's one that's up. So two sides of a halibut. Predator. So this is what it looks like up along the coast. Underwater though. I'm surprised how many are just sitting on the bottom. This guy swimming straight up. Collision. Starfish stuck to the glass here. Something with worms. And right here we got an octopus, see? Just suctioned onto the glass. I wonder what that is. Starfish exhibit. Yeah. Gently touch the animals with only one or two fingers. Even that one? Well, that's just hit the end of his. So, ooh! It moves. Do you see that? Some sea urchins to touch. I was attacked by one of these in Tahiti, though, so I'm gonna be careful. Oh, I thought these stung you if you touched them. From the docks. You can see the mountains and the forest, kind of. Like I say, it's very smoky here today. Although cleared up a little from this morning. This morning we couldn't see any of this. There's these lakes. See, there's one. I'm not sure if they're freshwater or saltwater though. But it really is picturesque here, right? This is the Alaska SeaLife Center where we went this morning. We're gonna walk up the road there. This is sort of the end of town. The town, well, we just drove through the town. It's really not very big, although I guess there's other areas around here. Have you ever seen a warning sign like this? Waterfall ahead? Here's the waterfall ahead. Now I would guess that no salmon jump up that. So I don't know if this is a salmon creek or not. I don't see any in the water down there. Although you can't see it, Janet has pointed out a salmon down there for me, and this guy wants to catch it. So, maybe. Oh, I see another one right there, swimming. Apparently, somebody caught one. We're going down the trail. What kind? What kind? Sockeye. Okay. Waterfall, river, bridge. It's got salmon in it because those people caught one, and plus we saw some. Over there is the SeaLife Center, which we went in this morning. But on the beach here, check this out. Those are jellyfish.
Look at them all.
And Janet says, look at them all. And I am. Or maybe she said, look at the mall.
Sad.
Well, until you get stung by one. And then you say, good riddance.
Still get stung even when they're dead.
That's some important safety tip from Janet. So these guys are waiting to be on dry land. I don't know if you can see out in the water there, but it's thick with them. So this is one of the main shopping drags in town, we were told. And that's a stretch, whatever that means. And there's the ocean right there. I'm taking a walk up this street, which is positively 4th Street. Oh, 4th Avenue, my bad. And there's your Brown and Hawkins. Not sure what they sell,
Mercantile.
but there it is. Janet says mercantile. So if you know what that is, you know what they sell. Thorn Showcase. Here's the vape shop with CBD. Deluxe grilled cheese. Bucket of butt. Halibut that is. Oh, see? Okay. Looks like a lot of travelers hanging out here. See this? Would you like to do that on a motorbike? Electronics. A bear. Haven't seen enough of those. This guy got himself a salmon. These berries.
To Seward, Alaska.
It's not. There's fish on the wall. So this was the Seward City Tours free shuttle. Anyone can ride it. It makes 14 stops. I have a little map of some of them. They give you the map on the ship, or they did us. But we're back at the port now, gonna reboard. We caught that shuttle downtown, in the historic downtown of Seward. But now back to the ship, because we don't dig the smoke.